Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you're doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. So, this is your general reading for the month of July. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, so let's start the reading and let's see what are the beautiful messages, what are the beautiful energies for my magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world. So I am getting very beautiful energy for you, Aquarius, which I got in the meditation, which I'm going to tell you here, that there is some kind of new beginning which is happening in your life here, either in your love life, but what I can see it is in your love life. Okay, so the in your love life you are getting new beginnings here. Okay, new beginnings are coming here. Some of you can get the proposals too. Okay, marriage proposal too, that can be a possibility too. Lot of abundance is coming for you here. Can you see enlightenment and abundance? Lot of yellow energy is here, so you are getting enlightened and abundance is coming for you. Whatever prayers you were doing here, your prayers are going to be answered very soon. So that's what is here. And maybe you can see lot of peacocks or rainbows here, so you are supported here. Okay, you are not alone. That's the message I'm getting here. See, again, beginning a new cycle here. As you know that we are right now in the full moon energy. Okay, so let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages. Okay, and some of you are the star seeds here. Can you see? You are the star seeds, the blue star, the blue flame here. So you have to work on yourself. Okay, follow your light of your inner compass, the star. It will lead you to the truth that resides within your soul. Raise your vibration of the of the planets through your radiant loving light. So some of you are the star seeds, blue star, or the blue flame. So that was the message which I was having here. Okay, lot of blessings are coming for you here, which I received in the meditation, so I'm giving it. Now let's see the messages and let's start your reading. Okay, please help me out. Okay, please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages for Aquarius for the month of July 2021, which are important to deliver for Aquarius. Okay, now let's see what are the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius 2021 July? Please give me the messages which are important. Okay, please give me the messages. No, please give me the messages. Wow. Any other message for Aquarius? Any other message? Any other message for Aquarius July 2021? Any other message? Okay, so beautiful messages are here, Aquarius, for you. Now let me adjust my cards, then I'm going to tell you here. Lot of you can be see the number synchronicities of 333 or 313, 303 or 222, 444, 11 or 1111. That can be a possibility here. Okay, so forgiveness is required here, Aquarius. Okay, forgive anyone who has hurt you in the past and even forgive yourself too. So that's the message I'm having here. There is beautiful message of work. So good opportunities, beautiful new opportunities are coming for you in the month of July in terms of work, maybe new jobs or new business proposals. But work is here. So this is beautiful. Then there is health, so you have to take care of your health, Aquarius. Okay, take care of your health, and if you are not well right now, you are going to get improvement in your health. So there is an improvement in your health. Your health is being indicated here. Take care of your health, Aquarius. Then there is paradise and heaven, so this is beautiful here. Okay, let me see the heaven. So there are direct messages from the heaven, from the divine, that you are blessed. They are sending you light, blessings. I told you there are a lot of blessings from the divine, from the universe, direct from the heaven, that you are blessed, you are protected by the divine, and everything is happening according to the divine timing. That's beautiful message. There are good times here, so good times are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, there is a lot of prosperity which is coming here, lot of abundance. I told you, lot of abundance, lot of prosperity which is coming for you in the month of July. So that's what is having lot of celebrations. Okay, I'm getting very happy energy. Okay, very happy energy, very party kind of, celebration kind of energy. Okay, that I'm getting here. So lot of celebrations are coming for you, Aquarius, in the month of July. Okay, there is love here, so some of you can be dealing with your twin flame or your soulmate. So reunion are coming for you. Can you see? This is beautiful. The love is coming for you. The reunion are happening here for many of you, Aquarius, in the month of July. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, and there is happy family, happy life. So you are going to spend some more time with your family. Maybe you're going on vacation, or you're traveling with your love, or okay, but reunion is happening here for many of you. Now let me read it out, the paradise here. Okay, I need to read it out. Paradise. Some of you can get the marriage too here. Can you see? I just opened the book and the marriage card is here. Some of you are getting marriage proposals, or some of you are going to get married, or you are already married with your twin flame or soulmate, so they're coming back in your life. Okay, so this is paradise. This says daydreaming about a better life. Okay, so this card indicates you are searching for the ultimate happiness in your life and have many unfulfilled desires. You may be currently be unhappy about what's happening in the world or on your own personal life, and looking for inner peace and tranquility. The answers to your question about the meaning in life, death, and what really makes you happy will be answered. But right now you have to keep patient. So that's beautiful. I told you the answers are coming for you. Okay, so right now you have to keep patience here. So here also, even can you see from the archangel deck also, I was getting Archangel Aurora, which says welcome new beginnings, let the sun shines in your life. I hope it is visible for you. Lot of yellow energy, lot of sun, lot of happiness I can see, I can get here for you, Aquarius. Okay, so now let's see. Thank you for giving the message. Now let's see what are the messages from the star seeds. Maybe you can see lot of pigeons these days. That can be a possibility here. So let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. Please give me the messages for Aquarius. Any other message? Okay. Wow. This is beautiful energy, Aquarius. So the first card for you is perspective. None of this matters. Zoom out, common ground. You have to see the picture from a higher perspective, Aquarius. Okay, see the picture from a higher perspective. Whatever is happening in your life, okay, that is happening according to the divine plan. Okay, so see the picture from a higher perspective here. Okay, it's happening. Keep holding the vision. New earth. As you know, we are in the age of golden Aquarius. We are in the age of golden Aquarius. Okay, new age of Aquarius, golden age of Aquarius, or in Hindu mythology, according to India, we call it Satyug. Okay, so we are in the golden age of Aquarius. We are making our new earth. So it is happening. It is, but you need to hold your vision here. Okay, it's happening. A new earth is, it's forming, it's ascending, it's transforming. A new earth is you know, is building, I can say. We are making the new earth, but right now we have to keep holding our vision. Okay. Then there is child of the cosmos. The intelligence of the universe lies within you. You are the child of the universe, child of the cosmos, and every beautiful intelligence, understanding, or the answers, or the beautiful energies lies inside of you. So that's very beautiful message. And here I'm having, can you see in this both cards, I have to show you like this: baby steps and portals. So lot of beautiful portals are opening up. Can you see? Take the baby steps so that you can you can enter into this beautiful portal which is there for you, which is available for you here. The doors are opening, you decide rewards. Wild card, can you see? This girl is taking the baby steps, following her intuition, and she is entering into the portal of beautiful energies. Can you see? Action, follow your intuition before it makes sense. So enter into the portal here, Aquarius, which is open for you. The doors are opening up for you. So this is very beautiful energy. Take the baby steps. Doors are opening up for you. Can you see how beautiful? I've told you maybe many of you Aquarius can see rainbows these days. Okay, rainbows, pigeons, peacocks, butterflies, that can be a possibilities. So new doors are opening up for you, Aquarius. You have to decide. The rewards are waiting for you. So that's very beautiful message. Thank you so much. And it was this, and the message which I was getting here, 1144 was the recording reading time. Okay, maybe you can see 1144 Lord. You are unbonding here. Okay, Aquarius, you are releasing the soul patterns, contracts, and the past lives, wounds, or the soul contracts, whatever which was there in your life. Right now you are releasing them. Okay, just you need to say yes. Okay, just say yes, because you are releasing the soul contract, soul patterns from the past lives. Okay, some of you are the Palladians here. You are having a double mission on the planet Earth to do the challenging and uplifting humanity. Okay, wow. Many of you are going through awakening, energetic upgrades, a new way of being, integration. So you're going through a process of awakening. That can be a possibility here. So that's beautiful message. Now let's see message. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the message. What are the messages for Aquarius? And the message which I was getting here, that you need to get grounded, Aquarius. Spend some time in nature so that your energy can get grounded here. Okay, so that was also a message which I was beautiful getting. Please give me one more message. Don't dim your light to fit in. Okay, how are you dimming your light in order to fit in? Maybe you are doing something in order to fit somewhere, Aquarius. Don't dim your light. You are not for everyone. Okay, you are not for everyone. I always tell you, you are unique, you are special here. Get grounded. That was, I already told you. Sisterhood of the Roses, beauty, devotion, priestess, mystic, teacher. So you are having beautiful energies, beautiful gifts from the divine inside of you. Okay, some of you can be mystic, healer, tarot card reader. Okay, the teacher, the high priestess. Okay, so use your intuition, use your gifts to serve the world. Okay, we need you. I always tell you that we need you, Aquarius. Share your voice. Then there is Akasha. Your guidance is divinely guided. 1414 1414 is the recording reading time. Your guidance is, your path is divinely guided. I told you this, that you are being divinely guided and protected. Everything is happening according to the divine plan, Aquarius, in your life. And can you see? Birthing a new age, birthing new creations, dreaming a new world into being. Okay, as you know, we are creating a new age. We are birthing a new age. So the new school, the new earth, the new age is coming here. So you are in a part of this. Okay, just dreaming a new world into being. It's happening. Just you need to keep, keep holding your vision. This is very beautiful message. So that was the message which I was receiving here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what is the message from Scared Destiny for Aquarius. Please give me the message which I need to deliver. What is the message for Aquarius for the month of July? Right now you have to do your purification and relaxation, Aquarius. Let go anything if you're still holding on, and do some relaxation. Take a trip. If you're working non-stop, then you have to take a trip and relax yourself. There are opportunities which are coming for you. I told you, in the terms of job or in your business, there are beautiful opportunities which are coming for you. Then there is diligence and security. So that's beautiful message I'm receiving here for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what is the message from Scared Traveler. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me the message. You have to cleanse your energy, your aura, your chakra, Aquarius. Okay, cleanse yourself. Wow. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages for Aquarius, July 2021. Any other message? No. Wow. Transformation. You're going through a beautiful process of transformation. Okay, I told you, many of you are going through a transformation, awakening, a fresh new way of living energies and life. Transformation is taking place. Then there is narrow pathway, tread thoughtfully. Okay, then there is far away places, get ready for the new horizons. Okay, there is new fresh way of living energies. There are new beginnings which are happening in your life. Right now you're becoming more beautiful than before. Transformation is taking place in your life. Get ready for new things, new horizons which are coming for you. And you are protected by angels. Okay, you are cherished by the angels. I told you, your guidance is divinely guided. Okay, Aquarius, there are angels who are protecting you and they are cherishing you. Okay, so that's very beautiful here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what is the message from Wisdom for Healing cards. Okay, this is the new deck which I'm using today. I just got it today delivered. Okay, so let's see. Wisdom for Healing card. What is the message for Aquarius? Okay, what is the message for Aquarius? What is the message? Okay. See, the practice the art of transformation here. Can you see? Today's lesson is acknowledge one situation in your life that is taking your power, Aquarius. Okay, transform that situation into something positive and maintain that perspective as a spiritual discipline for the entire day. When your spirit slips into negativity, simply breathe and then pray your way back to the inner space of your positive visualization. Your goal is to practice the art of transformation. Can you see? This is very beautiful message here which I receive here. Then there is be proactive. Okay, be proactive and become better. There are beautiful images here. So today's lesson is discover one thing that you would make that would make you better and more empowered at what you do and who you are, and make it part of your routine. If this is difficult, identify why become better is something you would not want to do. Your goal is to recognize how and why you sabotage your empowerment. Okay, and for this, be proactive is recognize one of the major areas of insecurity in your life and see how much it disempowers you. Then identify one small action you can take to release that insecure feeling. And your goal is to observe whether you are proactive or passive, since healing requires proactive energy. So that is the message here I'm receiving. And there is observe your attitude. Determine whether you spend most of your energy in a positive or negative frame of mind. Do you have remind yourself to be positive, or are you naturally that way? Your goal is to become more mindful of whether you are unconsciously positive or negative. So you have to observe your attitude here, Aquarius. Then there is notice that special person, and that's very beautiful. Okay, today on this day, take notice of someone who you have previously ignored. That person is your teacher, your special angel, and he or she will do or say something you have been waiting for. Just because you are recognizing the beauty of his or her spirit, your goal is to see that everyone is capable of helping you heal, and vice versa. 2112 was the recording reading time. So maybe this is very important message, Aquarius. Okay, so thank you so much for giving the message. Now let's add one message from Archangel. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Archangel Mallory, remember who you are and take action when you are ready. Okay, remember who you are and take action when you are ready, Aquarius. So that's the message I'm receiving here. Now let's add one message from the colors. This is purple, develop mental clarity. Okay, you can use this color purple so that you can develop mental clarity here. That's beautiful. Okay, now let's see what is the message from the scared creators. What is the message for Aquarius? What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me a message. Bliss is worth creating from, and get back to the elemental. So it all starts from within yourself, Aquarius. It's not outside. Okay, so bliss starts from inside. Once you start and shift your focus and your energy into positive direction, prosperity is going to come in terms of every area of your life, whether it is in love or it is in work. You are already abundant here. Okay, abundant of love, abundant of money. You just need to affirm and say that to yourself. So that's the message I'm receiving here for you, Aquarius. Thank you for giving the message. Now let's see what is the message from the star seeds. One message. Okay. Advancement. A strong energy is propelling you to forward. Follow the strings of your heart here, Aquarius. Okay. Take the baby steps. Your intuition is guiding you to take baby steps in a forward direction. Okay, so that is what the energy is guiding you to move in this portal, to take the steps, follow your intuition. Okay, so this is beautiful energy here. Now let's see what is the message from the fortune cookies. Wow, one more message. Wow. So the first message for you is luck. A sudden change of luck is likely. Things are working in your favor. Excellent time for networking. So right now the wheel of fortune, the luck, the destiny, the fate is in your favor. Okay, the luck is on your side, Aquarius. This is the beautiful time. You can manifest. You can do anything here. Then there is love is in the air. A great time for commitment and taking relationships to the next level. Okay, I told you many of you are going to get marriage proposal, or you're getting the reunion here. So that's the message I'm receiving, because love is in the air. Now let's see one message from the divine doors. Okay. Change beckons. The path is shifting. The road leads to a new way. Do not alarm as change beckons today. So the change is happening here, Aquarius, in your life. The change is taking place, but do not worry, Aquarius, because it is taking you exactly where you have to be. So accept that change, welcome that change, and move in a forward direction. So that is beautiful message. Now let me add one message from the sweet dreams affirmation. So guidance. My dreams give me inspiration and guidance. So many of you can be receive guidance through dreams. So that can be a possibility. So follow your dreams and remember your dreams. You can write it down into journal here when you sleep and you get awake. Okay. And that is all. Okay, yeah, unicorn is left. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Wow. See again, intuition. Listen to your inner wisdom, Aquarius. Listen to your intuition, okay? And there is Queen of Unicorns. You are blessed with love, compassion, and wisdom. So that's very beautiful message from the unicorns also. Thank you, unicorns, for giving the messages. You are already blessed with love, compassion, and wisdom. I already told you, you are abundant of everything. Okay, you just need to tell your soul, your subconscious, your unconscious. Okay, everything is there inside your soul. You are already abundant, Aquarius. You just need to say these things to yourself. Okay, and follow your intuition, because your intuition is guiding you in a forward direction into a new way, because new doors are opening up for you here in the month of July. Okay, there are beautiful gifts and beautiful things which are waiting for you. So this is what I'm having here for you, Aquarius. Okay, I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching my video. Take care of yourself, and if you want to let me know anything, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, so that you can get important messages which are important for you. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.